I love my deep dive workshop series, and I am doing a deep dive into eliminating the blocks to success. Eliminate the blocks to success. I tell you, I grappled with those blocks to success for so many years. Oh my gosh. It just felt like this great weight on me. It felt like I just couldn't seem to break through. There was always something that seemed to keep me from breaking through to my spiritual success. So I'm not talking about having success in the world, although once I eliminated the blocks to my spiritual success, then I started to have real success in the world. So, of course, there's a connection. And we are tackling this topic. I'm inviting you to come and join me. This is a powerful breakthrough time for us. And so let's do it together. Let's have real breakthroughs and let's have real spiritual success that ripples out to our entire life. I hope you'll join me.